chapter 3, in which we are going to discuss about the classification of force. Force can be classified in three ways: contact forces, action at a distance forces, consecutive forces. Okay, contact forces. What do you mean by contact forces? Then contact forces acts when two objects are in physical contact with each other. It means if two objects, like if this is object 1 and this is object 2, if we apply, okay, if we collide these two objects, then this collision is known as contact forces. Okay, it will called as a contact forces. Similarly, here is some examples: a boy kicking a football and a horse pulling a tonga. In both cases, the two objects are in direct contact with each other. In first case, the foot of the boy is in contact with the football. Okay. Similarly, the tonga is attached with horse body. The more the force applied, the faster the object moved. यानी कि if a boy kick footballs hardly, then football will get its very large momentum. Okay, it will travel through very large, and if a horse pull tonga as much faster as he can, then the tonga will move faster as by the rule of contact forces. Okay, muscular, mechanical and frictional force are a common type of contact forces. These forces are a common type forces of contact forces. Okay, so in our list, first we are going to discuss about the muscular force. Any force which required muscular effort is known as muscular force. Okay, like any kind of push, pull, stretch, squeeze need muscular force. Like if you want to pull this object backward, then you need to do some muscular force. Okay, or if you want to pull this towards you, then you have also to do a muscular force. We must have seen a man with a good and strong muscles can push a car along while on the other side. In movies, you are able to see like a man used to pull a car by his muscular physique. Okay, by his body. A person with weak muscles will not able to do so equally well. If in case a person is very weak, so he can't move a car by his body. Various activity which do in our routine life, we do with the help of our muscles, like kicking, walking, running and many more. Okay, these things can be seen in our daily life, like if you are walking, if you are running, if you are kicking something and many other more things. This will be known as a muscular force. Now we are going to talk about mechanical force. When we hit the head of a nail with hammer, we notice that the nail penetrates into the wood. Okay, if you want to put a nail in your wall or in your door, so look at this, look at here, this boy wants to put this nail in this wall, so he used to hit the head of the nail so that it can penetrate the wall and fix there. So the impact between the hammer and the nail makes this possible. What makes this possible? The impact of hammer and nail make this possible. Thus, a force produced by the impact of one object over another is called mechanical force or impact force. Okay, thank you class. We will discuss more about this in our next class.